Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I upload sewing tutorials and pattern drafting once a week. Those that have been subscribing to my channel, you are all welcome. I appreciate you all. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the red button and turn on the notification bell so that I notify whenever I upload exciting tutorials like this. In today's tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to draft and cut a bomber jacket. Please do watch the end of the video. I'll be vividly in all the explanation. Let's start. Now we're going to start by indicating our starting point, which is here. This is our starting point. Now the measurement you are going to use is shoulder 18 inches, shoulder to armhole to chest line 10 inches, shoulder to the length of the bomber jacket 26 inches. Then the sleeve of the jacket, we are going to use 22 inches for the sleeve. The armhole is 20 inches. Now let's start. Before we start, the bomber jacket, in trying to draft a bomber jacket, the front side will be the one that will have the zipper allowance, because the zipper allowance will be at the front, it's not at the back. Now we are going to mark out 2 inches for our zipper allowance. We are going to mark out 2 inches downward for zipper allowance. Now I'm going to connect with a straight ruler. Now starting with our vertical measurements. To chest line, is 11 inches. Then the full bomber jacket length is 26 inches. For joining allowance and the rest, I'm going to do 27 inches. We are going to connect. Draw a straight line. This is our chest line. Now the chest measurement is 18 inches divided by 2. It gives us 9 inches plus half inch joining allowance. In all, we have 9.5 inches here. Then the armhole measurement is 20 inches divided by 2 will give us 10 inches. These are 10 inches here. Now we're going also to measure our armhole here, which is 9.5 inches. Then here we're going to come down by 1 inch shoulder slant here. Now our neckline I'm going to use 3 by 3. I'm going to use 3 by 3 inches for our neckline for the front pattern. Then connect it slightly to this place. Then 1/2 inch for shoulder joining allowance this way. Now I'm going to divide here. I have 9 inches here. Divided by 2 will give us 4.5. Coming in by 1/2 inch here. Then connecting with our armhole curve. For the front pattern, then you go out with the line you connect for the back side. Now our neck line. Now the chest line, round chest is 44 inches. Divided by 4 will give us 11 inches. Here is our 11 inches here. You know, bomber jacket, you need to be free. Then I'm putting 1 inch for ease. I'm putting 2 inches for ease allowance and 1 inch for joining allowance. Then the hip measurement is also 44 inches. I'm going to repeat the measurement in all. I have 11 plus 2, which is 13 inches plus 1, 14 inches. I'm going to place in the 14 inches here. Then I'll connect with a straight ruler. Okay, I'm going to connect with a straight ruler. Okay, I'm going to connect with a straight ruler this way. Now I'm going to cut. To cut the back pattern is very simple, very easy to cut. Now we're going to fold in the zipper allowance this way. This is the back pattern, this is the front, this is the back pattern, this is the front one. You place it this way. Place it this way. Just cut straight. Now after cutting it this way, this is the front, this is the front side, this is the back side. Now I'm going to remove the neckline for the front side this way. Then this part of the armhole, I'm going to eliminate this place so that the front will not be all that excess. That's for the front. That's for the front pattern. Now for the back side, I'm going to take a neckline of 1.5 inches. Take a neckline of 1.5. Then connect this way. Now, for bomber jacket, the down part is going to be they're going to attach elastic to this down part, and the elastic that I'm going to attach while sewing it is about 2 inches elastic. Now I'm going to remove 2 inches here. Now instead of removing 2 inches, I'm going to leave ½ inch for joining allowance with the band and the main fabric. I'm going to leave ½ inch throughout. Now I'm going to remove 1.5 inches, leaving ½ inch for joining allowance with the band. Now I'm going to remove, it's both the front and back that I placed together, trying to remove the 1.5 inches for band. It's 2 inches, then I left ½ inch for joining allowance. Okay. Now for the band, I'm going to place this on the band and cut. It's elastic. Then this one, because the band is going to have the fabric at the front, down parts of the front, so I'm going to share this into 2. I'm going to share it into 2 this way. Discard this. Then I'm going to cut a fabric with this length, then 2 inches wide. The length is going to be this length. That's 7 inches for the 2 sides. That's all for bomber jacket pattern. Very simple. Try it. Then I also upload the video on how to sew a very neat bomber jacket. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. If there's any comment, request, suggestion, do leave it at the comment section below. And also, if there's any video, any style that you don't really understand, do well to notify me at the comment section, so that I'll be able to upload a video on how to tackle that particular style. Thank you very much. Also, subscribe to my channel. God bless you all until we meet in our next video. Bye.